Hi there, Shimada here. Today, in these difficult times, I'm going to show you a way that I properly use Barbacide to disinfect my utensils. I start off by putting on my gloves, then I use a bit of soap, and I just want to take off any type of crud, any type of dandruff, anything that's inside in between the teeth. And I'm using a nail brush. And I scrub them really good, and you can do the same with your brushes. Then I want to take a quick rinse. And I'll take a paper towel and lay them flat and just pat them. Take your Barbacide jar, and I take cold water. Remember, you always want to use cold water, never warm. If you use warm water, your combs, they will warp. And I want to fill it up to about 32 ounces or so, almost to the top of the jar. And then I want to put in my Barbacide, which is I would probably use about 2 ounces, which comes up to about 6 or 7 capfuls, more or less, of the Barbacide. Then I'm going to pop my utensils inside the Barbacide, and I'm going to leave them for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I take them out, I give a quick rinse, and then it's sanitation and sterilization. Be safe.